Hi, my name is Nandakishore. I am from CSIT branch. Today my topic is definite article versus indefinite article. What is an article? Basically, articles are either definite or indefinite. They combine to a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. The definite article is the indefinite article is an slash a. The indefinite article a or an. The article a slash an is used when we don't specify the things or people we are talking about. I met a friend. I working in a factory in New York. I borrowed a pencil from a passenger sitting next to me. There are two types of indefinite article, a and an. A is used before consonants. A table, a chair, and is used before a vowels. An apricot, and egg, an intelligent man. But you need to use and before h if it is not pronounced. An honest man, an hour. You need to use a before you if it is pronounced like a uniform, a used car. Important. The indefinite article can be used only with a countable nouns and b singular nouns. You can't use it before nouns like milk, advice, information, uncountable nouns, or students, children's. Noun is plural. A boy, singular countable, but boys, plural. A cup of tea, singular countable, but tea, uncountable. Indefinite article a is used before a consonant sounds. A dog, a pilot, a teacher, a university. The indefinite article an is used before a vowel sound. An engineer, an elephant, an athlete. The definite article the it is used when the speaker talks about a specific object that both the person speaking and the listener know. The car over there is fast. The President of the United States is giving a speech tonight. When we speak of something or someone for the first time, we use a or an. The next time we repeat that object, we use the definite article the. The definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. The singular singles that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group. For example, the dog that bite me ran away. Here we are talking about a specific dog, the dog that bite me. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. Here we are talking about a particular policeman. Even if we don't know the policeman's name, it's still a particular policeman because it is the one who saved the cat. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Here we are talking about a specific noun. Probably there is the only one elephant at the zoo. I live in a house. The house is quite old and has 4 bedrooms. I ate in a Chinese restaurant. The restaurant was very good. No article. Do not use an article with countries, states, continents, or provisions, lakes, and mountains except when the country is a collection of states, such as the United States. Thank you. Hello.